Children, today I am going to start with a new chapter, Regions of the World. You know that Earth is spherical in shape and has a tilted axis. As a result of these two factors, not all the parts of the Earth receive the same amount of light and heat from the sun. Some parts receive more and some parts receive less heat. Based on the amount of heat received, Earth is broadly divided into three heat zones, that is, the torrid zone, the temperate zone, and the frigid zone. The first one is torrid zone. It is the hottest zone as it receives the direct rays of the sun. Next zone is the temperate zone. It receives less heat than the torrid zone. So it has moderate climate that is neither too hot nor too cold. The next zone is frigid zone. It receives very little heat as it receives the slanting rays of the sun, and it is the coldest of the three zones. In these heat zones, there are four smaller climatic regions. These regions are the hot and wet equatorial region, the hot desert region, the temperate grassland region, and the polar region. The first one we are going to discuss is about hot and wet equatorial region. First topic is about the location. This region lies within the torrid zone and extends between 10 degrees north and 10 degrees south latitudes. It covers the Amazon basin in South America, the Democratic Republic of Congo in Africa, and Malaysia and Indonesia in Asia. Next point is about the climate of this region. The region remains hot throughout the year since it receives the direct rays of the sun. It does not experience winter. It also remains humid throughout the year due to the presence of many water bodies and dense forest. Intense heat during the day leads to rapid evaporation of water in the region. Towering clouds form and heavy rain occurs every afternoon around 4 o'clock. The region does not have any dry month. Rainfall is evenly distributed throughout the year. Now look at the plant life in this region. Equatorial rainforests with the dense and luxuriant trees grow in this region. Trees such as mahogany, ebony, rosewood, and palm are found here. Forests here are forever green and full of leaves, as the trees shed their leaves at different times of the year. Therefore, they are also known as evergreen forest. There are four distinct layers can be seen in this forest: forest floor, understory, canopy, and emergent. First one, forest floor. It is the lowest layer that receives very little sunlight and is dark and damp with almost no plants. Second one, understory. It receives a little more sunlight that allows the growth of shrubs, ferns, woody creepers, and orchids. Third layer is canopy. It is a main layer. It consists of dense trees that are around 30 meters tall. And the last one is the emergent layer. It is the topmost layer. It consists of tall trees that tower more than 60 meters. The next we are going to discuss about the animal life in these different layers of the forest. First one, the animals which live on the forest floor. You can see the picture here. First one, armadillos, second one, anteaters, and third one, gorillas. These are the animals live on the forest floor. Next is the animals which live in the understory. Snakes, jaguars, leopards, frogs, and lizards live in the understory. Spider monkeys, orangutans, sloths, toucans, macaw, and parrots live in the canopy region. Eagles, bats, monkeys, and butterflies are found in the emergent layer, that is the topmost layer. Crocodiles, turtles, and snakes are found in the rivers of these regions. Next topic is about the human life in hot and wet equatorial region. Most people in this region live in cities along the coast as the living conditions within the rainforest are very difficult. Small groups of tribal people, however, continue to live in the rainforest. Hunting, agriculture, fishing, forestry, and mining are the main occupations in this region. Some people practice shifting agriculture. So, what do you mean by shifting agriculture? It is a method of cultivation in which a patch of ground is cleared by cutting and burning trees. The ash so obtained is used to make the soil fertile. After cultivating the land for a few years, people leave it for another patch of land. European traders introduced another method, that is plantation farming, in many parts of equatorial region. In this type of farming, crops are grown on large farms called plantations. Examples: rubber, tea, cocoa, pineapple, etc. Last topic is about the challenges faced by the people in this region. One of the main challenges facing this region today is how to bring about economic progress without destroying the rainforest. The large scale cutting of trees for timber and to clear the land for mining, agriculture, and ranching is threatening the life of tribal people and the wildlife of this region. Ranching means activity of running a large farm used for raising cattle, horses, or sheep. Important challenge is deforestation. It also led to soil erosion, which turn has led to lower agricultural output. So these are the main challenges faced by the people in these regions. So in this video, we will discuss about the topics like plant life, human life, and animal life in hot and wet equatorial regions. Hope you understood all the points. Thank you. Have a nice day.